So children, we have already studied natural regions part 1 and part 2 in our previous lectures. So today we are going to begin with page number 34, that is part 3. All of you kindly open page number 34 of your geography textbook. The ones who don't have textbook can look at the screen. The natural regions given in the table are found in specific latitudinal extents between the equator and the poles. Availability of water and temperatures found there determine the location and extent of these regions. Besides the regions mentioned above, there are some more regions which stand out due to local conditions. Now below given table is about the regions which stand out due to the local conditions. Now they are the monsoon, the Mediterranean and the West European regions. While the monsoon and West European regions stand out because of specific winds blowing there, the Mediterranean region is known for its rainfall in winters. These are described in the table below. So children, monsoon and West European regions stand out or they are unique because of the specific wind blowing there. So there is some specific wind which blows in these two regions, and due to which or because of that, these regions are unique and they stand out. While the West European region, while the Mediterranean region is known for its rainfall in winters. So now let us study about them in the tables given below. So now see the first one, monsoon region. The second column is Mediterranean region. And the last one is West European region. So the first is location and areas. North and south of the equator between 10 and 30 degree north and south parallels. So where does the monsoon region falls? In the north and south of the equator between 10 and 30 degree parallels. Now which are the regions that fall under this monsoon region? Which are the areas? They are Indian subcontinent, Philippines, West Indies, North Australia, East Africa, America, etc. Now, Mediterranean region. It extends between 30 degree and 40 degree parallels in both the hemispheres on the western side of continents. The regions are Portugal, Spain, Algeria, Turkey, California, Central Chile, Southwest and Northeast Australia, etc. Now the last location. West European region is located in the western parts of the continents between 45 degree and 65 degree north and south parallels. The regions are Denmark, Norway, British Columbia, New Zealand, etc. Now let us move on to the second one. That is the climate. So how is the climate in the monsoon region? Summer temperatures between 27 and 32 degree Celsius. While winter temperatures between 15 degree to 24 degree Celsius. Rainfall 250 to 2500 mm. And areas get rain in specific seasons from southwest monsoon. Rainfall is highly variable and distribution is quite uneven. So the rainfall which takes place in monsoon region is uneven. Okay, it is not the same. It keeps on changing. Now the climate of Mediterranean region. It is mainly dry summers and rainfall in winters. Now during mean summer, the temperature is from 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Winter temperature between 10 degrees Celsius and 14 degrees Celsius. Mean annual rainfall 500 to 1000 mm, and it rains in winter in the Mediterranean region. Now the climate of West European region. Mean summer temperature around 20 degrees Celsius. Mean winter temperature around 5 degrees Celsius. Mean annual rainfall between 500 and 2500 mm. Rainfall mostly in the form of cyclones associated with westerlies. And in the West European region, it rains throughout the year and climate is mild. Now, natural vegetation in monsoon region. Semi-evergreen and deciduous forest. Vegetation depends on the distribution of rainfall. Now, which are the trees found? Sandalwood, bamboo, shrubs, grasses, etc. Now, Mediterranean region, there are thick, small and oily leaves. Then there are thick barks. Example, olive, oak, chestnut. Now, how is the grass? The grass is very low. Rainfall regions. Coniferous forest in mountain regions. Now, in the West European regions, green grasses all the year round. Then trees shed their leaves in winter. Coniferous trees and short grasses like maple, beech, spruce, pine, etc. Now, animal life. In monsoon regions, there are wild animals such as tigers, lions, leopards, cheetahs, elephants, peacocks, snakes, monkeys, cuckoos, etc. Then, domesticated animals like cattle, which means cow, buffalo, etc., goats, horses. Now, in the Mediterranean region, due to animal husbandry, domesticated animals are found in large numbers. Now, which are the animals that we domesticate? Animals like goat, sheep, cow, that is cattle, horses, etc. And in the West European regions, because of animal husbandry, domesticated animals in large number. Now, even there are wild animals which includes wolves, foxes, bears, etc. Now, human life. Let us study about the human life in these regions. In monsoon region, large number of small hamlets. Considerable difference in diet and costumes. Population is mostly involved in primary occupation. Main occupation is agriculture. A Mediterranean region, seat of Greek and Roman civilizations. Main occupation is agriculture. Mostly fruit and flower cultivation. Wheat and wheat products form the staple diet. colorful costumes. And the West European regions mainly consist of industrious and enthusiastic people, means active people, have been mainly sailors and explorers. Now they use woolen clothes, okay, and have achieved progress in secondary and tertiary sector. Besides the 9 regions given in the tables, there are certain other distinctive regions which stand out because of their specific continental location. For example, the China type region, St. Lawrence region, etc.